Hello, my lovely viewers. Warm greeting. Today's section is telephonic conversation. If you have any suggestion, opinion, or comment, give comment below or contact us directly. This is our contact information. Please do that. This presentation is all about this area. We are covering this area how to attend a phone call if you get a sudden phone call from an unknown person in English. How to attend that particular call. Even in attending a call of your friend as well. How to attend that. Making a call. How to make a call. Telephonic conversation. Few frequently used conversation in telephone. And few tips about telephonic interview. When you communicate directly with the person, you can convey more of things, right? As you are meeting the person directly, you will have your face expression. Sometimes non-verbal communication is also applied in person when you're meeting direct face-to-face meeting. But you cannot in telephone. You have to convey everything through your words. So that's why telephonic conversation is a very important area where you have to look over it. Attending a phone call. How to attend a cold call. Cold call is a call which you get from an unknown person. Who is speaking? Whom am I speaking to? Who is calling, please? May I know who is this? How may I help you? This how may I help you? Something is very professional. When you are in a profession, in a particular profession, you can say that. How may I help you? When you are getting call from your customer, client, or something like that, you can ask that, how may I help you? Making a phone call. When you're making phone call, the main thing you forget is to say your name and to confirm the other person name. So these two things keep in mind. You are in a phone call, the person will not be knowing who you are, and the person may not be the same person you are calling. So confirm these two things you are saying. So first greet the person and say who you are and ask the other person name as well. These are the lines which you can use. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your name speaking. For example, this is Chiefan speaking. Am I speaking to? Confirm the other person whether you are calling the right person itself. Am I speaking to John or something? Could I speak to? Again, if the person is not the right person, just ask them to give the call to the other means. Just ask them, could I speak to the person name and say, please, I would like to speak to, I am calling from. For more clarity, you can say that I am calling from and where you are calling from. I am calling on behalf of. If you are calling instead of someone else, just use this word, I am calling on behalf of. So these are the words which you can use when you are making a phone call. Telephonic conversation. So these are the conversation which you can say when you want the other person to hold, or if you want a few minute time and all, or if you want to take a note of something, then these things can be noted. These lines can be said. Could you hold for a moment, please? Just a moment, please. Hold on a minute. Just a minute. Wait a moment, please. If you have a trouble, just say like this, your voice is breaking. You are not audible. Pardon me, could you repeat that, please? Instead of saying and all, you can just say that, pardon me, could you repeat that, please? Next, telephonic interview. Telephonic interview is the first part of your interview. First section of your interview will be your telephonic interview. So this will be unexpected as well. So when you get the telephonic interview, when you're expecting a telephonic interview, these are the things which you have to consider. Prepare to introduce yourself. So to introduce yourself, I have already taken prepare with frequently asked questions. This I will be taking in later on presentation. Interview skills is a separate area. It's a vast area and I will be taking in later on presentation. Start with greetings. And in almost every area it is applied that you have to start the conversation with greetings itself. The person will be greet you and you have to greet them back. Formal conversation, you should have a very formal conversation when you have telephonic interview. Be enthusiastic. Don't be panic when you get a sudden telephonic interview. Be enthusiastic. Don't have a dull voice also. And the main thing, have a clarity in organization. Don't get trapped. Ask about the organization. Get more clarity about the organization and then have a conversation. And even you have to get clarity about yourself also. So they will be asking about your CTC, more about your details. And so have a very good understanding between both of you. To avoid misunderstanding, have a very good clarity in both. Points to consider. When you are having a telephonic conversation, your voice is a key role. Voice plays a very important role. Have a very good pitch of your voice. And it should be sometimes stable, sometimes high, sometimes medium, and don't have everything together mixed. According to the situation, just use a very good voice modulation as well. Have a very good voice clarity. Avoid repeating. Don't say something again and again. Avoid that. Avoid fillers like oh. Avoid that things. Find some quiet place. It's very irritating thing that when an interviewer or some person, when you are expecting a very important call, find some quiet place where you will not get any disturbances. Even the wind sound may disturb you. So find some places. This may affect your important part of your call also. So find some quiet place when you're expecting a very important call. These are the points which you have to consider when you are having a telephonic conversation. That's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.